You start setting up for your idea kit session. You have your lights in place, camera phone ready, and you look fantastic. But when you get to the mic, you have no idea what to do. Sound familiar? But guess what? Setting up your mic doesn't need to be difficult. Let me show you how. Take out all the components, the Sennheiser lav mic, the clip, and the pop filter. Can't find the pop filter? Double check in the bag. It's usually hiding in there somewhere. You also received an extension cable and phone adapter. Now if you've made it this far, good job. Slide the clip on the cord, then bring it up to the mic. Pop that pop filter on and unwind the cord. Plug the mic into your extension cable, plug that into your phone adapter, then plug that into your cell phone via the charging port. And there you go. See, it's not that hard, kind of like tying your shoes. But you're not done yet. You gotta actually put those shoes on. Clip the mic on the interior V of your jacket, tie, or collar. You can lock the cord in place by creating a small U and clamping it to the back of your jacket or top using the clip. Now pay attention, because this is where it gets tricky. When you put on the mic, make sure that it's pointing vertically and the clip is horizontal. Get this right, otherwise it's anyone's guess what you'll sound like. Now you're all mic'd up and ready to begin your video. And the best part is, there's no need to take it apart when you're done. Just keep your mic kit all put together using the handy bag and store it with your light, so you're ready for your next kit session. If you have any questions, we'll be glad to assist you on your next Idea Kit record session.